everybody, just doing a quick video on my plant that I purchased from fastgrowingtree.com. I think this is my guava, and this is going to be exciting. Just came today. The mailman, well, FedEx is supposed to deliver it and they're supposed to actually bring it to you, but he left it at my mailbox, so we drove home and found it there. So now I get to open it. I'm glad it's not a really cold day because it would have been out there all day. Very nicely packaged as always. I bought several trees from them already, and their trees are a little bit more expensive, so I generally prefer to get the 1-year warranty on them. Usually they do have a 30 days money back guarantee, so if your plants die within that 30 days, you can call them and either get them to send you a new one. Hi Zena. Hi Zena. Or, yes, you're looking at my plant, but they send you instructions on how to plant your stuff, so that's nice, along with your order. So this one is a guava tree, and I am still waiting for the Alfonso mango and the lychee tree, which isn't gonna come until mid-April, I believe. But if you do want to buy some tropical fruit trees, they do have regular ones as well, but I usually buy tropical fruit trees from them. I would recommend getting them now because their supplies is really short. They've already are out of some of the stuff that I wanted to get. Alright. So generally there's a label on the box. It says lay flat or this side up, because when you get the plant, it comes in a big container like this. Hopefully you can see the top. Lots of paper. Just gonna rip into it. You guys see that? I just want to make sure you can see the top. Okay, there we go. Okay, so this is the 2 to 3, I believe, the 2 to 3 feet. I think there are 3 different sizes, but I got the 2 to 3 one because it was slightly cheaper, but it wasn't the smallest one, it wasn't the biggest one. So there's 2 other sizes you can get. As always, the bigger size meaning the older they are, which means they may produce fruit faster. So I think it looks really good. I mean, it looks really healthy. No leaves have dropped yet, but it is wilting a little bit here at the tip. So I'm going to give it a good feed. A couple leaves are broken in transit, but you know, that's to be expected. This is the Ruby Supreme Guava. And yeah, I am excited. Hopefully it may produce this year, but more than likely not. It'll probably wait 1 more year. I'm actually in the process of building, my husband is building me an in-ground greenhouse. So basically we garden in zone 7B, which is not hardy enough for the tropical trees that I am buying. So we're doing an in-ground greenhouse. That way I can plant them in the ground, and then it will regulate it, because the ground that it's going to be in will regulate the temperature and the inside. So it will maintain between 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 90 degrees Fahrenheit, give or take a little bit, but it will never reach freezing, and it'll never get extremely hot because the ground will kind of act as an insulator. to help prevent the extremes of one way or the other. That's the hope and the logistics of why people have in-ground greenhouses. But I'm not gonna really do above ground because that requires more. They're more susceptible to frost damage when it gets extremely cold. So a lot of people do have like a heating system in it, and then in the summertime they have a sprinkler system or AC unit that's running. The fans are running. So I'm hoping that if I built an in-ground, it will help cut some money in the long run. But yeah, definitely watch for it. The video will come up. I'll keep you updated on that. But yes, this is really exciting. I am really excited. It's a really healthy. They packaged it really good. I think this is in a, is it a 3-gallon? I think this is the 3-gallon. But everything looks really healthy. So with these trees, even though I'm going to plant them in ground, they can get extremely tall. I think they can get up to like 15 feet if you let it grow that high. But I am not going to let it grow that high. So what I'm going to probably do is top it off so that it create more branches on the side and grow, produce more on the side than on top. So that's about it, everybody. Thank you so much for watching, and I will look forward to seeing you in the next one.